siyang makita si Jesus Christ. So, umakyat siya sa puno para makita niya. Ngayon, kung titingnan niyo talaga, hindi aksidente ang lahat ng bagay. Diba? Pag akyat ka doon mo pala simula ng kanyang salvation. Diba? Dahil may mga tao nakapaligid sa kanya, nagchismisan pa, no? Naging marites. Bakit papasok si Jesus Christ doon? Di ba yan yung ganyan. So, kagaya sinabi natin kanina, walang tinatangi ang Panginoon. No? So, yun. Nagkaroon ng salvation. At pagkatapos doon, merong parable na binigay ang Panginoon. Basahin natin doon. Ikaw na. Hinday. Okay, basahin mo na pababa.
Luke 19.
Tapos kukuha tayo dyan ng mga bagay na mga mapupulot natin.
Luke 19. And Jesus entered and passed through Jericho. And behold, there was a man named Zacchaeus, which was the chief among the publicans, and he was rich. And he sought to see Jesus who he was, and could not for the press, because he was little of stature. And he ran before and climbed up into a sycamore tree to see him, for he was to pass that way. And when Jesus came to the place, he looked up and saw him, and said unto him, Zacchaeus, make haste, and come down, for today I must abide at thy house. And he made haste, and came down, and received him joyfully. And when they saw it, they all murmured, saying, that he was gone to be guest with a man that is a sinner. And Zacchaeus stood and said unto the Lord, Behold, Lord, the half of my goods I give to the poor, and if I have taken anything from any man by false accusation, I restore him fourfold. And Jesus said unto him, This day is salvation come to this house, for so much as he also is a son of Abraham. For the Son of Man is come to seek and to save that which was lost. And as they heard these things, he added and spake a parable, because he was nigh to Jerusalem, and because they thought that the kingdom of God should immediately appear.
Focus ka muna. Okay. So, i-take note niyo yung And Jesus said, this is the day of salvation to this house, for as was also the Son of Abraham. So, for the Son of Man is come to seek and to save which was lost. So, di ba? Ito yung design ng Panginoon. Ito yung heartbeat niya. So, lost soul. Ito yung tibok ng puso ng Panginoon. Kaya tayo narito ngayon. Tingnan siya, tingnan niyo. Pero